Welcome to GK Current Affairs. Today we are going to look into list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. There are total 40 World Heritage Sites in India. Agra Fort in Uttar Pradesh, a prominent 16th century Mughal monument also known as Red Fort of Agra. Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra, Buddhist rock-cut cave temples and monasteries renowned for wall paintings and sculptures. Ellora Caves in Maharashtra. The Ellora complex illustrates the spirit of tolerance that was characteristic of ancient India. Taj Mahal in Uttar Pradesh. Built between 1631 and 1648 by Shah Jahan, it is a universally admired masterpiece. Group of monuments at Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu is known for its raths, mandapas, giant open-air reliefs, Temple of Revenge. Sun Temple, Konark in Odisha, a pinnacle of Kalingan temple architecture with its representation of sun god Surya's chariot. Kaziranga National Park in Assam. It is home to the world's largest population of one-horned rhinos. Keolado National Park in Rajasthan, a major wintering area for the over 364 species of aquatic and non-migratory birds, including the rare Siberian crane. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam, home to a variety of wildlife, including endangered species such as tiger, pygmy hog, rhinoceros, elephant. Churches and convents of Goa, along with the Church of Boom Jesus, containing Saint Francis Xavier's tomb. They illustrate the evangelization of Asia. Fatehpur Sikri in Uttar Pradesh, also known as City of Victory. Key architecture includes Jama Masjid, Diwan-e Khas, Panch Mahal and Buland Darwaza. Group of monuments at Hampi in Karnataka. Notable structures include Krishna Temple, Hemakutta Temples, Vithala Temple, Pattabhirama Temple, Lotus Mahal. Khajuraho Group of Monuments in Madhya Pradesh, a group of Hindu and Jain temples famous for Nagara-style architectural symbolism. Elephanta Caves in Maharashtra, a collection of cave temples and rock art mainly dedicated to Lord Shiva. Great living Chola temples in Tamil Nadu includes 11th to 12th century temples. Brihadiswara Temple at Tanjavur and Gangaikonda Choliswaram, Eravateshwara Temple at Darasuram. Group of monuments at Pattadakal in Karnataka, a complex of 7th to 8th century Hindu and Jain temples, including Temple of Virupaksha, a masterpiece. Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. It contains the world's largest mangrove forests and are home to several rare and endangered species. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park in Uttarakhand, famous for its endemic alpine flowers and also home to rare and endangered fauna such as snow leopard and blue sheep. Buddhist monuments at Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh comprises monolithic pillars, palaces, temples and monasteries dating back to 2nd and 1st century BC. Humayun's tomb in Delhi, the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent, it has inspired several major architectural innovations, including Taj Mahal. Qutub Minar and its monuments in Delhi. The complex includes Qutub Minar, Alia Minar, Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque, Iron Pillar and several tombs. Mountain Railways of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh. These sites include 3 railways: Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway and Kalka Shimla Railway. Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, an ancient restored Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, marking the location where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. Rock shelters of Bhimbekta in Madhya Pradesh, also known for its natural rock shelters and paintings from the Mesolithic period to the historical period. Champaner Pawargad Archaeological Park in Gujarat, a treasure trove of Hindu and Muslim architecture, culture, and history. Some Islamic designs pre Mughal era have been preserved. Red Fort Complex in New Delhi, known for its red sandstone architecture. Every pavilion reflects a fusion of Persian, Timurrid, and Hindu traditions. Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, Rajasthan, an astronomical observation site built in the early 18th century. It includes a set of some 20 main fixed instruments. Western Ghats in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, recognized as one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity. The mountain chain represents a unique ecology. Hill forts of Rajasthan. The serial site includes 6 majestic forts in Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Savi Madhopur, Jhalawar, Jaipur, and Jaisalmer. Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area in Himachal Pradesh, with the river Rhine forests, alpine meadows, and high peaks. It hosts over 25 forest types. Rani Ki Vav, the Queen Step Well at Patan, Gujarat, divided into 7 stair levels with sculpture panels of high quality. It has over 500 principal sculptures and 1000 minor ones. Archaeological site of Nalanda Mahavira at Nalanda in Bihar consists of archaeological remains of a monastic and scholastic institution dating from 3rd century BCE to 13th century. Kangchenjunga National Park in Sikkim includes the world's 3rd highest peak, Mount Kanchenjunga, and a unique diversity of plains, valleys, lakes, glaciers, and snow-capped mountains. Complex DU Capitol Chandigarh, recognized as a World Heritage Site as part of an outstanding contribution to the modern movement. Historic city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. The walled city presents a rich architectural heritage from the Sultanate period along with the Hindu and Jain temples of later periods. Victorian Gothic and Art Deco ensembles of Mumbai in Maharashtra. The 19th century Victorian ensemble and 20th century Art Deco include Indian elements suited to the climate. Jaipur city in Rajasthan, also known as the Pink City, it consists of several palaces, temples, and forts and is known for its indigenous city planning. Dholavira, a Harappan city in Gujarat. It is the larger of the 2 most remarkable excavations of the Indus Valley civilization, dating back to 3000 to 1500 BCE. Kakkatiya Rudreshwara Trampa Temple in Telangana consists of a Shiv temple built during Kakatiya period, known for lightweight porous bricks. Hope you got some knowledge from this video. Like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.